When dealing with a lot of tools or all their accessories, things can get messy if they aren't kept organized properly. From a construction pro to a serious DIYer, everyone prefers a rugged and convenient toolbox that prevents their tools from being stolen or lost. Plus, you can quickly find the exact tool for your project by storing your tools in a reliable toolbox organizer. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best toolbox organizers that are customizable and have industry-leading qualities. So without wasting any more time, let's get organized.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Starting with the WorkPro Tool Box, a portable, tool-carrying solution with a convenient removable tray made of rugged materials to withstand all kinds of pressure. This toolbox comes in 2 different sizes of 13 and 16 inches so that you can choose one between them for your tools and other needs. Due to its heavy-duty polypropylene resin construction, this toolbox won't break during transit. Plus, it's rated for carrying up to 33 pounds, making it ideal for household use. It has a removable inner tray that allows you absolute storing facilities and keeps toolkits organized, while the locking eye keeps your hand tools safe. Apart from that, this toolbox has a hand-friendly matting body and anti-slip design that complies with environmental protection and offers you an amazing user experience. So if you're looking for a highly portable and rugged toolbox to store and carry your everyday tools, you should check out this WorkPro Tool Box. Keep all your daily used tools organized with the Stalwart Tool Box, a 3-in-1 rolling tool conveyor that is best for those who are constantly carrying their hardware tools and kits to job sites. This rolling toolbox comes with wheels for easy maneuvering and has a fold-down handle with a comfort grip, so you can easily take it anywhere with all your tools inside without discomfort. With the 3 separate compartments that can be easily pulled out, it lets you use it the way you want and ensures that you can organize your tools separately to get to them quickly. Made out of rugged steel and polymer, this toolbox assures a durable construction to compete with any condition when traveling or moving around rough construction sites. Also, each compartment of this toolbox has a spot where you can place a lock to keep your tools and kits safe and secure wherever you go. With long-lasting durability and convenient storage facilities, this Stalwart rolling toolbox will assist every hardware worker to store their tools safely around their workplace. Get yourself introduced to the GEARWRENCH 83151. It's a 3-drawer metal toolbox that offers a convenient way to organize your basic automotive tools and other things. This 20-inch toolbox comes with 3 different ball-bearing sliding drawers, meaning you can easily open or close them when in a hurry at home or at the construction site. Plus, this toolbox is constructed of quality metal material with a black powder coat that wipes easily, so that you can get rust and corrosion-resistant solution to store and carry out your tools. Moreover, it features a keyed center lock that improves the safety from tools falling and keeps you secured while on the go. The top area of this toolbox is up to 2.5 inches in height, letting you keep all your standard size hardware tools without any accommodation issues. Simply put, this GEARWRENCH 83151 is durable enough and has a large storing capacity for all your wide range of tools, making it one to buy without hesitation. Now check out the Stanley STST 14028, a fully customizable tool organizer box that allows you to easily store your hand tools and small kits in a 2-level accessible display. This tool organizer box is made of strong polypropylene material and features a cantilever configuration that lets you get access to each level easily or to both levels simultaneously. Plus, it comes with a combination of removable cups and customizable dividers, meaning you can store your tools and accessories in a personalized way. The upper cover of this organizer box is a transparent lid that lets you have full visibility of the upper level of the box and keeps you aware of which tools you're carrying. In addition to that, you'll get the maximum convenience for single or multiple products because it has a suitcase-like carry handle with an ergonomic design. In short, this Stanley STST 14028 multi-level tool organizer box combines portability and versatility, which will be an ultimate storing solution for you. Highly portable and durable in mind, meet the BLACK+DECKER BDST 6500. It's a stackable storage system with a unique design that comes in 3 individual toolboxes for a big tool collection. This storage system comes with durable auto-locking latches that let you connect all stackable units quickly with ease with a single touch on the quick release button. Plus, it features an ergonomic telescoping handle with 2 7-inch strong rubber-coated wheels, allowing you to transport it easily. Additionally, the extra-large rolling tote of this storage box perfectly stores your power tools and even bulkier items while ensuring proper safety and convenience. The deep toolbox with removable tote trays is great for storing your hand tools, while the shallow toolbox allows you to store small parts and accessories hassle-free. To conclude, if you want to get an ultimate solution for storing your power tools, hand tools, and small stuff, then don't look anymore and grab this BLACK+DECKER BDST 6500. Store and carry your large collection of tools with the Milwaukee 4822-8432 PACKOUT, the most durable modular storage system with industry-leading qualities to meet all your requirements. This deep organizer is designed to be the most versatile and has 50 pounds of storing capacity, meaning you can store your large tools and all those accessories. Coming with a rugged polymer construction and IP65 rating, the organizer box can withstand harsh job site conditions and protect your tools from rain or dust. Apart from that, the interior of this organizer features quick-adjust dividers and a deep design, letting you store both large and small things perfectly. It also has a transparent lid that seals the compartments to prevent contents from migrating when transporting them to your workstation, while the PACKOUT system offers true modularity for storing. All things being equal, this Milwaukee 4822-8432 is great for transporting and organizing your tools at your home or job site with its high capacity and tough build quality. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT DWST 17805, the most demanding and heavy-duty tool organizer that every professional prefers for their large hand tools and small accessory storing. This tool organizer has a 44-pound loading capacity, meaning you can store any large power tool or hand tool without worrying very much. Besides, the side latches assures connectivity with other compartments and safe stacking. Plus, it comes with a clear and impact-resistant unique lid design that locks all the compartments in place and ensures full visibility for quick access to your tools. This tool organizer offers you a convenient solution for storing and carrying small parts or accessories with the removable compartments. Moreover, it features a built-in wide handle to provide you with easy carrying facilities and stable portability when you need to maneuver it around your worksite. Overall, if you want something that'll keep your tools stored no matter what's happening outside and offers substantial safety, you should invest your money in this DEWALT DWST 17805 without looking anymore. So that was the list of the 7 best toolbox organizers presented just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.